Hello guys, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you which indicators I use on my TradingView application. So you can see this is Bitcoin Tether 1 hour chart. I use the Binance one because I use Binance for trading and everything. And this is TradingView. So the indicators I use are, hopefully you know how to use indicators. Okay. Then so the indicators I use are this. Volume should be always on. Now I'm going to show you. First one is live eye trend, this one. So I'm gonna hide it. So this is 1 hour chart and you can see everything is, it tells me wherever to, like it will tell me take long, take short. You can see now short exit. So it has given me, like I don't trust for exit. I mark my exit on my own whenever I see that this much profit is enough for me. But you can see it gives me good calls. I always trade on 10x or minimum 7x leverage and maximum 10x always, never beyond that and never less than 7x. So you can see it would be like okay for BTC, at least 14.4% is enough for me, surely. You can see it gives me good calls like long one. Okay, so you can use this one. I have shown you the name, live eye trend. Now I'm going to show you the others I use. The other one is maybe you have seen my shorts. So this one is trend lines with breaks, sorry, Lux Algo 24.1 point something. You will just type trend lines with breaks shit, and it will show Lux Algo. So you can see this. You need to change some settings in it also. So just go to settings, you need to go to inputs, change the length to 24 and slope to 1.6. Just leave it the same and click here, show only confirmed breakouts. This time I was right, breakouts. Okay, so click OK and you can see it will give you buy and sell signals. You can see it shows you good like resistance also. Boom, resistance. When breaks out, just take an entry. It says buy. So it's a good chart, I guess. Good indicator. You can use it. Trend lines with breaks, Lux Algo. Okay, so the others I use are, I'll hide them. Volume, of course, should always be on to see whether it was a clear breakout or just fake pump or something like this. So many price manipulating things nowadays. So the next thing I want to show you is Boom Hunter Pro. So you can see this is Boom Hunter Pro, guys. It shows me a lot of things, seriously. Like whenever things are overbought, I take short entry. Let me show you it on BTC 4-hour chart. Okay, need to hide it. So you can see it gave me clear indication that price is going to dump. Here it told take a short entry. You can see these red dots indicate that price is going to dump. This one indicates like little overbought price, like people are buying. I don't it means without reason people are buying, sort of. Okay, so here it told take a short entry and you can see boom, here it started like giving green. So means if the price is falling from a long time, it will indicate like that you need to stop. Now the price may go in straight line or the price will like little bit move slowly. Now if the price, if the this line is going normally, you can see 79% profit for me, as I said, 10x leverage. And if it's like normally moving and it shows green line, then it means green dot, sorry, then it means pump. So I think this helped me a lot. You can see pump. So it's a good indicator. I use it most of the times, like it's always here. So let me show you another directional movement index, sorry, DMI. So you can set these colors, like I have changed them. So just click here, go to settings and change the colors as you like. Okay, so I'll turn one line to green, one to red and one to white. You can see it and change it, no problem. Just mark this shows the trend, like you should take long entry, short entry, whatever. Let me show you two major points. Mark one at like yeah, I'll use here white color line. If the white line is beyond it and one of the lines, like maybe red or green, is above it, then it's like bullish trend. And also one more thing I would like to tell you, if the white line reaches sometimes 60, but I'll take it as 50. If it reaches up to 50, means it's time that it can be like reversed, trend can be reversed soon. Like you can see the green touched red here. So let me shift to 1 day charts. I'll shrink it a bit. So you can see guys, this is bearish trend. Here it was green. So this shows everything like bearish. The white line here represents like trend. You know the what they say, trend is friend. So you need to take trades. I usually trade on charts, maybe sometimes on news. So when I trade, I make sure that the white line is above this 25 point. Maybe not in 1 day chart, even in 1 hour chart. If it's above here, then I'll trade like here. And if it's red, so means you can see it was short entry. Okay, so this is how it works. You can use these indicators. Hope you liked the video. Enjoy. I'll make further like which coins I'm trading for shorts. I'll create this video. Be sure to subscribe and like the videos. Bye bye.